Okay, got the water on for the noodles. Just put the kielbasa inside there. I got, let me see, green pepper, onion, and not broccoli, celery. I forgot the garlic. I'll have to put some garlic in it. Now the garlic is in there. All right. Oh boy, this is gonna be good. Well, there's the noodles we're going to use. Just waiting for the water to boil, and we got this covered up. I got the cabbage in there right now. Hold on a second. Oh boy, it's going to be good. Woohoo. Not related to what I'm making, but we picked this up at the Amish market. Pure golden honey from intercourse. Well,
Oh,
there
boy.
it is on the table. Okay, let me know what you think.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Yeah, good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I get to eat it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Celery, green pepper, onion, garlic, beef and pork
I think
kielbasa,
this is the best one you did.
and wide noodles. And cabbage. I forgot the cabbage in there. Yeah, we got cabbage too. Okay.